Hey there, quick review on this Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag. Now, I love duffel bags. One of the main reasons is because whenever I'm done using it, you can collapse it down into a really small footprint. However, one thing I do miss about my hard case luggage is the ability to have it on wheels. So this Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is really nice for that. Now, this is the 40-inch version. I would not recommend the 40-inch version unless you have something really big that you need to transport, or you just need to be able to transport a ton of clothes, pillows, sleeping bags, so on and so forth, because there is a ton of space in this. And if you're actually filling it up, it's probably going to get pretty heavy, plus it's just really big. So if I could go back, I would have got the 30-inch version. Would have been a lot more practical than this 40-inch version. I will say I've reviewed a lot of different duffel bags. A lot of the lower price point duffel bags have very, very thin material. This is very durable material. It feels like it would hold up really well to a lot of abuse. It's thick and very just tear resistant. So this definitely, I'm going to give 5 stars as far as the material. Now you will notice on this side, it's got a lot of pockets. If we come around here to the opposite side, we don't have any pockets. Looking at the wheels on the base here, they're really nice quality. Feels really good considering the price point. And then as we move our way to the top of the bag, we've got our pull-out handle here, and that's going to be a little bit different based on what size bag you get. You'll see the rubber strips on the bottom there as well for setting it down. The zippers on this bag all feel nice, nice size compartments here on the side. And over here we've also got some compartments going across the bottom as well. So lots of storage on the outside here. We've got your usual We've got your usual carry handles, which are standard on a duffel bag. Now also, because this is a duffel bag, they do also give the ability to cinch this down. If you want to secure your load a little bit better so it's not moving around, you can tighten that up with these 2 straps and they'll just clip open right there. With a bag this size, again being the 40-inch model, the shoulder strap definitely works, though it might not be practical depending on how much weight you have in here. That's where the handle really comes in handy. To be able to wheel this around is very convenient. You also have a top handle here as well. The ability to wheel this around is just extremely convenient. Pivots around nicely. You know, it's not going to be the same as a hard shell suitcase, but having some wheels on a duffel bag is very convenient also whenever you've got long distances to walk. I hope you found this review helpful. Overall, I think it's a nice product, especially considering the price point. It's a durable material, lots of storage options. I would just be advised, you probably aren't gonna want the 40-inch model. Go with like the 30-inch or something like that for most trips, but still great features. I'd recommend it.